is Harshla. Welcome back to my channel. So the other day I was just standing in front of the mirror and assessing my skin like all of us do, or over assessing it. And I realized that there was something wrong with my skin. Like when I looked into the mirror, I couldn't exactly tell as to what. Like my skin was not breaking out, and it wasn't even feeling irritated, but just the overall look of it was like pretty tired, dull. It wasn't like looking as glowy as it does always. And that is when I realized like I had to step back and think whether my routine was even working out for me. Like I could tell that it's not a skin problem, it has to be my routine problem. And all of us want a routine that is like working for us and not against us. And I know all of us have been there, that the moment we see skin looking dull or tired or just like not feeling it, all of us want to jump into harsh actives, go in with like acids and like exfoliants and whatnot. And trust me, that is like the worst thing that you could do for your skin. I have been there myself. The only thing that you need to do during this time is focus on a very simple routine, like hydrating, something that's repairing and like gently supports your skin. That's exactly what I did. I'll be showing you guys the routine that's been working really well for me, and also going to explain you why it's working for me. So let's get started. Makeup days or no makeup days, this is a non-negotiable for me. I have to go in with the Micellar cleanser before I wash my face. The one that I have been using is by Cetaphil. This is their Healthy Renew Micellar cleanser. This is so good. It deeply cleanses my skin, it soothes it, and it hydrates up to 24 hours. That's something that I absolutely love, because I cannot tell you how much I hate that feeling of skin feeling extremely dry and lifeless after cleaning your face. That's just not the vibe for me. This is such a good micellar cleanser. It removes your makeup seamlessly, and it also like refines the texture. So this has been my go-to lately. After that, I go in with the Cetaphil Healthy Renew face serum, and you would know why I'm talking about this product, because if you have been on my channel, you would know that I love anything that has peptides, and this baby right here is filled with all the goodness that I always talk about on the channel. So this, I'll tell you. But firstly, this is the product looks like. It's just so cute. It has just like these encapsulated golden beads in it, which just like makes it look so aesthetic and so nice and like luxe. Like you don't even feel like using it, but you'll have to, because it's just like so good for your skin. Can we just talk about the packaging? It's so cute. It also comes in like an airless pump, and also when you like dispense the product, you get enough quantity for your face, so that's really good. So no wastage of product right there. And since it comes in this kind of packaging, it protects it from like contamination, so which is always a plus. Now let's talk about what's in it. It's got purified peptides, vitamin B3 and provitamin B5, botanical extracts, that is Edelweiss extract. It has purified peptides, okay? So something that I've been talking about on my channel since forever, especially if you have sensitive skin. Go for this before you go in with your retinols. Your skin would thank you. This is just a gentler, like more nicer alternative to retinol, and it does the same thing as a retinol, so that's amazing. What I love about peptides is that it just doesn't irritate your skin whatsoever. If you're in your mid to late 20s, trust me, I'm begging you, please incorporate a peptide serum in your routine and just see how beautiful your skin looks and feels. Like this has to be like liquid gold for your skin. Trust me on this, like just trust me. After using this, I could definitely see a lot less texture on my skin. My skin felt a lot healthier, smoother and brighter, and overall tone of my skin was quite evened out. Formula is fast absorbing and hypoallergenic, because I love when products just like my skin drinks it up and I don't have to work them into my skin. You apply it and yeah, it just like gone in like 2 seconds. Amazing. And the tired look that we all keep talking about, I think it comes from like collagen loss, which happens as you age, but this works on 10x activated collagen support, which all of us need. As all of us are aging, we are not getting any younger, so we need to incorporate these products. And if you want that anti-aging sort of a routine for yourself that's also like gentle and isn't going to like irritate your skin, then do incorporate like a peptide serum in your routine, because that would really help. Lastly, I'll go in with the eye serum. Now this is Cetaphil Healthy Renew eye serum, okay? I firmly believe that eyes is the first thing to give away how your skin's looking or how you're feeling, and my eyes do tell a lot. My under eyes are feeling tired, or my eyes are looking tired overall. My face just looks off, and this has been working really well. This works on dark circles, fine lines and the tired look. Now I firmly believe that if something gives away how you're feeling is your eyes, and if your eyes are looking tired, oh my god, or if you're feeling like fatigue, your eyes will tell. So please incorporate a eye serum in your routine. And yeah, this just like, again, it's quick absorbing. I apply it and it works really well when layered together, because this also has all these amazing ingredients that I just mentioned with the face serum. When you like pair them together, they work really well. This has been my routine for quite some time now. It's extremely simple, and I'll tell you why I've been loving it and it's working for me. It's focused on hydration, barrier support, and thirdly, it's also like that gentle anti-aging. My skin just feels healthier, not overtreated, not irritated, just balanced, firm and hydrated. And I think sometimes that's the goal. Not perfect skin, but a skin that's like healthy, strong and supported. So if your skin has been feeling the same way, a little tired, a little off, please don't rush into harsh actives, but go for a simple routine, step back and just, you know, stick to the basics. I'm sure your skin will thank you, because sometimes going back to like gentle, consistent care can make the huge difference. That has been my routine for quite some time now, and it has been working really beautifully for me. If you want to check out any of these products, I'll link them down below in the description bar. Go ahead and check it out. I really hope that you found this video useful and informative, and also insightful in some or the other way. If you did, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And that being said, I'll see you next time. Bye.